Chapter 2. Proper posture, hand position, and breathing technique. It's important for you to know that poor posture restricts airflow, tension, and a bad tone. In your standing position, you need to consider the following: feet shoulder width apart, balanced and not stiff. The neck strap needs to be properly well adjusted so the mouthpiece will come straight to your mouth. No bending of neck. You don't need to bend your neck or do like this. And while sitting, you need to sit forward on the chair with your back straight. No slouching. Keep both feet float on the floor. No crossing of legs. Here are two saxophone position common mistakes. 1. Punching over the saxophone. And secondly, letting the sax dangle too low. And now, talking about the hand positioning, here we go. This particular part, you refer to it as your left thumb rest and here as your right thumb rest. Meaning, you are going to rest it there whenever you are playing the saxophone. And now, you are left with these 4 fingers and another 4 fingers on the right. So the index will maintain this first key, followed by the middle finger, the ring finger, while the left pinky will be the one to control all of these keys here. And to the right, your right index will be here, the middle will be here, the ring, and of course, the right pinky will control here and here. And right now, we're going to talk about the saxophone breathing technique. You will need to inhale deeply through your mouth. Shoulders not rise, but your belly is expected to expand. Whenever you are breathing in air, your shoulders must not rise. Let it remain at the same level. But your belly is expected to expand. It's just like you blowing air into a balloon. And to observe this critically, you are going to position your hand on your belly. You should be able to feel the expansion whenever you blow air into the saxophone.